everyone, I am so obsessed with this console table that I was gifted from the brand SICOTAS. Isn't it stunning? Anyways, I'm going to tell you everything you are going to want to know about this, including how installation was, so stick around.
So this particular one is the reclaimed caramel oak, and I am obsessed. I absolutely love that it combines the farmhouse with the coastal vibe, but look at this texture and warm wood that it has right here. I love how long it is, but you can see that it has this nice open shelving here at the top, and so I can fit a variety of my favorite items to showcase. Another favorite feature is that it has these 3 doors, and you can see that it has this nice woven rattan, and I also love the rose pinkish handles, but it just makes it so easy and functional to store different items. As you can see right here, it is super easy to open and close the doors, and then you can just see how much space is inside. It's perfect because I can put things like diapers in there, which I don't want other people to see, but also just books and a variety of different items. Here's a close-up though of what this drawer looks like. I also really love the open shelving here at the bottom, and so you can put a variety of containers, and as you can see there's lots of space. So I do have big containers, but I can hide things like toys and shoes, or I can make it decorative like with my blanket. But I just love how functional it is in all the storage space. And the great thing about this console table is that it can be a table in a variety of different settings, whether in your bedroom, living room, dining room table. It really just goes so well in these different spaces. And then you can also just see how nice and narrow it is. It looks great here in our living space and is definitely going to be a keeper. So let's talk about installation. When we opened up the box, we immediately noticed 2 things. There were no strange odors, and the packaging was neat. There was not a lot of styrofoam that got all over the room, so we appreciated the care that they gave that. The materials were nice and sturdy, and we knew it would be a durable piece. The instructions were easy to follow, and it came with all the hardware and tools we needed with everything labeled, but it was a smooth, good process. As I mentioned, I am obsessed with this console table, so I definitely recommend it.